Let's talk about how to prepare for behavioral-based interviews. Most interview questions are going to start with, tell me about a time when. And you want to be prepared to answer those questions from actual examples from your work, school, and job history. So let's dive in a little bit further on how to answer those questions. So to answer a behavioral-based question, you can see here we have different types of questions. You're going to want to use the STAR method to answering behavioral-based questions. The first thing you do is you describe the situation that you were in, the task that you needed to accomplish. Then you want to list the actions that you took in response to the situation and the results of your actions. Each answer must include all three parts. So you might be wondering, how do we know what questions that are going to be asked? The best way to prepare is to write 5 to 7 stories from your work history using the STAR method when you're writing out those stories. Write stories about a time you used problem solving, good thinking, decision making skills, communication skills, goal setting, performance issues, conflict, relationship issues, times that you've kept a good attitude, times that you've dealt with stress. As you're writing out those stories, try to practice those stories and remember the stories ahead of time. I like to think of it as having a bucket, and inside of your bucket, you have several stories that you can pull from no matter what question you're going to be asked in the job interview. Preparation for a job interview is your key to successfully landing the job after the interview.